Hi everybody, this is my phone. It's thunderstorming here. It's so scary. I think there's a funnel cloud. Oh my gosh, it's a funnel cloud. It's got a thunderstorm and rain. Oh, it's blue. It's pretty over there. But it's so scary. It's blowing pretty over there too. But here it's like blah 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 blah. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Whoa, I fell in a hole. I fell in a hole. That's not good. It's the wind is blowing really hard. The wind's blowing really hard. Look at that. There's a funnel cloud. Let's see if the funnel cloud's moved. Change shape in it. Look at that funnel cloud. It's weird. It's moving so slowly. You don't even know it's spinning. It's weird. It's weird. Okay. Okay. Bye everybody. Bye. I'll tell you if the storm is bad. Okay, bye.